welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my very first DIY video, and the DIY is Mr. Cuddly from Miraculous Ladybug Season 2. As soon as I saw this plush, cute little teddy bear plush, I was like, I must have it. It must be in my plush collection. For those of you who don't know, I'm a huge fan of plushies, and as soon as I saw Mr. Cuddly in Miraculous Ladybug Season 2 Despair Bear, I was like, I must have it. Here is what he looks like up close. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name's Valory. I'm a huge fan of Miraculous Ladybug, and this is my first DIY video. Actually, this video brought back a lot of memories for me because when I was a child growing up, I didn't have that many plushies. I would get balloons, blow them up, and make plushies out of them. I would get like colored paper and use my imagination basically. Doing this DIY on my channel is kind of very nostalgic for me. Will I do it again? I don't know, but this was a lot of work and this has been in the projects for months. I finally decided to do it and it turned out amazing. So if you guys want to know or how I made my very own Mr. Cuddly, then keep on watching. you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of love went into this little plush. Originally, I got a bigger plush, but it just didn't turn out so well, so I got it back up and used the tinier version. And I feel like it turned out really well. It's as show accurate as I can make it, so I did my very best. I know the arms and legs are a little bit short, but I feel like it's really cute. He's really cute like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and who knows, maybe in the future I'll do another DIY video. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make courage be your wings, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!